Hello guys, this is Dr. Jay Deshmukh talking to you on my YouTube channel. I am going to discuss today about the differences between tuberculosis and non-TB infections. It is important to understand that whenever a sputum is examined and if you see acid-fast bacilli, it does not necessarily mean that it is tuberculosis. It can be non-tubercular infection as well. And we should know this because the approach to treatment, the management of this disorder and the etiology of these two disorders differ a lot. And hence, let's discuss it further. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is the commoner of the two, and as you know, this spreads by droplet infection from person to person. This requires about 6 months of therapy and generally diagnosed by X-ray or sputum examination which shows AFB, and conventionally 4 drugs are used for 6 months, which includes isoniazid, pyrazinamide, ethambutol and rifampicin. However, non-tubercular mycobacterial infection is commonly seen in immunocompromised individuals as well as in those individuals who have underlying chronic bronchitis or bronchiectasis. Now, what about these immunocompromised individuals? These are the individuals who either have an HIV infection, who have had an organ transplant like transplant of the kidney or liver or heart or sometimes even the lungs or pancreas. And the treatment for non-tubercular mycobacterial infection is between 12 to 16 months or even more at times. If you have a Mycobacterium avium intracellular as a NTB, then the treatment would necessarily include clarithromycin and rifampicin, isoniazid, and at times even amikacin or linezolide. Important thing is that tuberculosis spreads from person to person by droplet infection. However, if you have non-tubercular infection, do not panic because it does not spread. It does not spread by droplet infection to others. It remains within you. However, you need to be treated for 18 months. The response to therapy for non-tubercular mycobacterial infection is generally quite slow, delayed and incomplete as against Mycobacterium tuberculosis. I hope you like this information. If you have liked it, press on the like channel or you may subscribe. Till then, have good health. Also, be curious to know about medicine.